This was not just any other appearance before the International Criminal Court. History was in the making as President Uhuru Kenyatta hit the pavements of the normally quiet Hague City, making his appearance as a sitting president, albeit in a private capacity. Outside the court premises, jubilant supporters and Kenyans in the diaspora scrambled for a presidential handshake to show solidarity as others sang and chanted "Free Uhuru." MPs, senators, governors and cabinet secretaries trooped in their numbers at the court's entrance to witness a man who defied odds and appeared before the court, beating a trap that would have seen sanctions imposed. Nairobi Senator Mike Mbuvi Sonko, with words "No to ICC" on his head, was barred from entering the court.
Sababu nilikuwa na maandishi nasema "No to ICC", but nimefuatilia proceedings vizuri.
Inside the courtroom, the president sat pensively. He did not speak, just shaking his head at times as the prosecution pushed for an indefinite adjournment and non-compliance order. The victim's legal representative, Fago Gaynor, pushed for Kenya to be reported to the Assembly of State Parties. The president's lead counsel, Stephen K., told the court justice has been delayed and with no evidence in the case, it should be terminated.
And the court officer needs 30 minutes to change.
At one time, the judges posed questions on why the prosecution should not withdraw the case. At around noon, MPs formed a barricade outside the court exit. Not even the rain could dampen their mood. When the man of the moment appeared, the scene was jubilant and patriotic. The president was hopeful he will be acquitted, given what emerged at the status conference. The president said for now his focus was to build a better Kenya.
Sasa ni kujipanga, turudi nyumbani tuendelee na maendeleo ya kabisa. Lakini nawashukuru nyote mahali popote mmetoka kwa vile mmekuja kutuunga mkono na kuwa pamoja nasi. Lakini yote ni Mungu na sisi wa Kenya tunakupenda baba.
Cabinet secretaries, governors and MPs who are here to make a statement said the status conference left the president as a victim of the justice process.
They didn't expect him to attend so that they can go to the next level. You even heard them talk about Bashir. Surely there is no Bashir here. Kenya cannot and shall never be compared with Sudan.
The argument is that the president is the president. He will be the president for almost the next 8 years. He will be succeeded by his friend for another 10 years. So really, I think the prosecution is trying to say, so that we don't look bad in the immediate situation, let's just have a way of the case dying slowly.
To the Kenyans who came and braved the chilly, rainy Hague weather and listened to the submissions, expectations are high on the outcome of the case, a case which has more questions than answers. Apol Kamau, K24 Evening Edition, at The Hague in the Netherlands.